Juanita Peaslee has this to say about teaching. One does not enter the teaching field for monetary rewards. Working in education is rewarding because teachers not only get an opportunity to pass on information pertinent to a particular field, but we also have a chance to touch the lives of so many of our future citizens. Hopefully, our influence on them is a positive one. Juanita grew up in a rural Missouri community during the Depression. Her interest in science began early in life, as she recalls going on walks with her mother and a neighbor and having wildflowers pointed out to her. Juanita never stopped loving science. Juanita graduated from College High School in Warrensburg in 1951. She went on to receive her Bachelor's of Science in Biology and Chemistry from Central Missouri State University. She and her husband John were married in 1954. John worked at Hallmark as a commercial artist. Juanita began her career in 1955 at West Junior High School in Brockton, Massachusetts. She then came back to Missouri and taught the 6th through 8th grades at Centerview Elementary from 1964 until 1982. Juanita taught physical science, biology, chemistry, ecology, and anatomy at Crest Ridge High School from 1982 to 2014. One of her favorite things is when a former student stops in and thanks her for what they've learned, or when others stop in to apologize for being so awful in class. Highlights of Juanita's career in teaching are the times when she saw the aha expression on her students' faces as they really understood a concept and were able to apply that concept in other situations. Other former students have become science teachers, colleagues, and friends. Juanita has been given the Honorary Membership Award from the FCCLA organization, the Outstanding Rural Secondary Teacher Award from the Missouri Association of Rural Educators, the Distinguished Service Award from the Missouri Interscholastic Athletic Administrators Association, an honorary chapter membership from the Future Farmers of America, and was recently recognized for 50 years of teaching in the Johnson County R7 School District. One of the highlights of her career has been her work with spiders. In her graduate endeavors, she was able to meet and work with world-renowned scientists in the field. Juanita and John were married for 43 years. After John's retirement from Hallmark, he worked as a freelancer until his death in 1998. Juanita has 2 daughters, Jane and Elizabeth. She also has 5 grandchildren and 5 great-grandchildren. Juanita Peaslee will always have a love of nature and science. The students of Johnson County R7 have benefited from that love. She is a pioneer.